Welcome to our Freedom from Suffering Now blog. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead. You know, it's been a while since I've posted a blog, and that's because I've been traveling a lot. Last week, for example, I was in Fort Lauderdale for the whole week with Terry Gorski doing the Advanced Relapse Prevention Certification Training. We had participants from 3 other countries in all parts of the United States. This week is my Passion Week. This is where I'm in Norristown, Pennsylvania at Valley Forge Medical Center and Hospital. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go to the link below to check out their awesome Breakthrough Chronic Pain program at Valley Forge. So if you or someone you know and care about is suffering with chronic pain and co-occurring medication problems, please check this out. This is an awesome program. I've been working with Valley Forge since 2007. They were first exposed to my model when 2 of their nurses came to a conference workshop I was doing in Philadelphia, and they went back and told the hospital, and everybody got excited because they have been seeing a lot more chronic pain patients with addiction, and they needed some tools. Together we have built a great infrastructure, and this past year is probably the most exciting piece. They have added a functional restoration component to their Breakthrough Chronic Pain program. They have acupuncture, they have biofeedback, they have this functional restoration, and their lead therapist, Kelly Driscoll, is offering the cognitive behavioral approaches that are really important. At Valley Forge, they believe that medication is only one component of an effective chronic pain management program. The goal is to get people on recovery-friendly medications, help them deal with the psychological, emotional components of the pain, and introduce them to non-pharmacological interventions and help start planning their continuing care by hooking them up with these type of resources in their community after they've completed treatment at Valley Forge. So if you or anyone you love has chronic pain and has medication abuse, pseudo-addiction, or addiction, this is the place to go. They have done an awesome job. It's really been fun watching them. This week I did a 20-hour addiction-free pain management certification training for their staff. This is to get more people on the team certified so they can help the chief therapist, Kelly Driscoll, with this challenging and difficult population. It was exciting because this year we had nursing, we had social work, and we had addiction counseling working collaboratively together to see how it takes a multidisciplinary team to help this struggling population. One of the other suggestions they took when I first started working with them was to start a Chronic Pain Anonymous support group for the pain patients. A lot of patients don't do so well in Alcoholics Anonymous, Narcotics Anonymous, Rational Recovery, Smart Recovery, because the entire focus is on the substance use. In Chronic Pain Anonymous, the whole focus is on learning to live with chronic pain one day at a time using spiritual principles. It was very exciting. I also have been living with chronic pain for 32 years. So they have 2 meetings a week, Sundays and Tuesdays, and every time I come back here to Valley Forge, they usually ask me to speak at one of the chronic pain meetings. And that was a highlight of my trip too. Getting introduced to a lot of people. Some of the alumni that came back were telling awesome stories to some of the new people and giving them some hope. So if you have someone who needs some hope and you're watching this on YouTube, go to the link below and check out the Valley Forge site. If you want to learn more about this program, on my blog, just go to my personal blog at Freedom from Suffering Now at the link below this YouTube video. I'm very excited. I've got one more day here. Today's the day when I go review how they've done since my last visit and strategize for what's coming up in the coming year. So please check back frequently. I will be posting blogs more frequently now that I'm going to be back in Sacramento for several weeks. And as I say, onward and upward, and there's always hope.